How to win COMPXM Round 1 answers, 2025 to 2026. In 1 to 2 hours. Top results 999 Strategic Decision Making in COMPXM, a practical MBA guide to achieving 960 plus points. Introduction. The COMPXM simulation is a capstone business challenge designed to test students' ability to apply their strategic management knowledge in a real-world, competitive environment. It integrates decisions across multiple functional areas including R&D, marketing, production, human resources, and finance. This guide provides a detailed walkthrough of how to achieve over 960 points in the COMPXM simulation, based on actual gameplay and results. By following the strategic framework and practical techniques outlined below, MBA students can develop a strong competitive advantage and significantly boost their COMPXM scores. Research and Development, R&D, Strategy 1.1. Identify market segments. Begin by understanding the target market segments of each product. Use the production analysis report to categorize existing products, e.k.a. Nano segment Atom, Elite segment Arc, Thrift segment Able, Core segment 1.2. Analyze customer buying criteria. Each market segment values product attributes differently. For example, Nano, ideal positioning, 35%, price, 27%, age, 20%, reliability, 18%, elite, age, 34%, price, 24%, positioning, 22%, reliability, 20%, thrift, price, 55%, reliability, 20%, positioning, 15%, age, 10%, core, price, 46%, age, 20%, reliability, 18%, positioning, 16%. 1.3 Reposition existing products. Use the segment criteria to adjust performance and size, e.k.a. Nano adjust to performance equals 12.2, size equals 6.2. Atom, Elite adjust to performance equals 14.2, size equals 8.1. Arc, Thrift adjust to performance equals 13.6, size equals 6.7. Able, Core adjust to performance equals 10.8, size equals 9.4. Do not alter MTBF, mean time before failure, unless reliability is critical. 1.4 Introduce new products to increase market coverage. Introduce 3 new products. Axe, Nano performance equals 13.3, size equals 5.0, MTBF equals 24,000. Ali, Elite performance equals 15.4, size equals 7.0, MTBF equals 26,000. Aft, Thrift performance equals 13.5, size equals 6.5, MTBF equals 22,000. 1.5 Manage launch dates. Adjust product specifications to control revision dates. Aim for release dates between July and October to maximize selling periods. Marketing Strategy 2.1 Price Setting. Set prices according to each segment's expectations. Nano, $28 to $40. Elite, premium pricing, no price reduction. Thrift, $14 to $26. Adjust price to match competitors, e.g., $20. Core, $20 to $32. Adjust from $32 down to $29 for competitiveness. 2.2 Promotion and sales budgets. Maintain a minimum of $2 million for both. Promo budget improves product awareness. Sales budget drives accessibility and customer interaction. Apply this budget for all products, including new ones. 2.3 Sales forecasting. Forecasting is critical to avoid excess inventory or stockouts. Use past data and competitor trends to estimate realistic sales volumes, e.k.a. 1,002 units Atom, 1,311 units Arc, 2,013 units Able, 2,101 units. Forecast conservatively for new products, or wait until later rounds once brand awareness improves. Production Strategy 3.1 Calculate production quantities. Use the formula, production required equals forecasted sales. Current inventory. Example, if Atom's forecast is 1,311 and inventory is 220, then production equals 1,091 units. Adjust upwards slightly to buffer against unexpected demand. 3.2 Automation Strategy. Increase automation to reduce labor costs over time. For cost-sensitive segments, e.g., Thrift, increase automation to 10.0 gradually. For others, Aim for 5.0 to 7.5 depending on available funds. Higher automation boosts margins in future rounds. 3.3 Capacity management. Expand capacity for newly introduced products, AX, OLI, AFT by 300 units of capacity each. Set automation to 4.0 as a starting point. Scale gradually based on sales performance in later rounds. 3.4 Cost controls. Track total investment costs. The simulation caps total investment in production. Monitor the max spend limit and ensure you don't exceed it. Human Resources Strategy 4.1 Training and Recruitment. Human capital drives productivity. Training hours, set to maximum, 80 hours. Recruiting spend, $5,000 per round. This boosts productivity and reduces turnover, particularly useful as automation and capacity increase. Total Quality Management, TQM. Invest strategically in TQM to boost efficiency and reduce operational costs. CPI Systems enhances production quality. Vendor JIT reduces material costs. Quality Initiative Training boosts workforce productivity. Budget, $1 million per initiative for the first round. Gradual increases in subsequent rounds depending on ROI. Financial Strategy 6.1 Cash Flow Management. Check the income statement and balance sheet regularly. Losses are common in round 1 due to heavy investments. Monitor free cash flow. Ensure long-term sustainability. 6.2 Balance Scorecard. Monitoring balance scorecard evaluates performance across customer buying criteria. Contribution margin. Days of working capital. Leverage. Product count. A strong performance requires scoring consistently above 60 to 70 points per round. Introducing new products boosts the product count metric, while strong pricing and margin strategy improve contribution margin. 6.3 Funding Strategy. To avoid cash shortages, issue long-term debt. Max out to finance large investments. Short-term loan, use as a buffer if cash position is too low. Example, long-term loan, $14 million. Short-term loan, $20 million. Ensure you don't over-leverage. Keep an eye on the leverage ratio in the scorecard. Final scorecard insights. After all decisions, target projected score greater than or equal to 65/80ths in round 1. Address weak metrics, e.g., contribution margin, working capital. In the next rounds, maintain consistent growth in all KPIs. Introduce more products and automate production to achieve long-term cost advantages. Conclusion. Achieving 960+ points in the COMPXM simulation is a result of deliberate, data-driven decisions across all functional areas. This guide has outlined a comprehensive round 1 strategy, focusing on customer-centric R&D decisions, data-informed pricing and promotion, cost-efficient production, scaling, investment in human capital, and TQM. Prudent financial planning. MBA students should treat each round as a cumulative building process. Early strategic decisions have long-term consequences. Regular review of financials, market reports, and scorecard metrics is key to iterative improvement. With this structured framework, students can gain not only high simulation scores but also practical experience in cross-functional business management, an essential skill set for future executives and consultants. Fastest support TO. Get top results 999. Email, behelp2002@gmail.com. Blog, https://capsimeguide2021.blogspot.com. Free Excel file for all 4 rounds. Download from blog or send the email. Online quick support. Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u. Whole game support equals $40 for 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes. Support equals top results.